Okay guys,
Oops.
so we're back to working on the engine.
And our boat it's got a lot of stuff on the back of it. It's been used as a storage center for a while.
It's a mess. So back to working on the boat and just looking at the parts we need to get, because the mechanic we took this to, JB Automotive, he misplaced some of the parts.
Yeah, they weren't here.
So we're going to go through and do an inventory of what's missing. We're going to order it and then put this together, and hopefully it makes a nice sound, cranking.
We haven't even been able to crank this baby up since we've gotten the engine repaired and stuff, because of the fact that there was parts missing when we got it back, and we just don't want to deal with it no more.
I had to repair all the wiring harness because it was
Yeah.
just in shambles. It was just strung all over the place, and did some other things. You can see the video on the wiring harness if you're curious on how I did that. But I used heat shrink, butt connectors, and a lot of time and patience to put that together. So let's go over the engine and see what's missing. Okay, so we need 2 bolts here, and we need a new gasket under here. I bought a new gasket and I bought new bolts, but they're gone. In the side here, I'm just going to have to get new bolts here. Back here, there's no nut on this one, so I have to get that. And it's just an array of, this one's not even tight. Wow, that's the wrong size. It doesn't even bunch up there. So yeah, that's interesting. I have to get a new circulation pump. That gasket looks good, so I'll just leave that there. And new belts, new brackets for the alternator, they're missing, so that's on the list. And then this needs to be replaced. This is all cracked up.
Wow, your seat is really uncomfortable.
Yeah, it's comfortable, huh?
I'm about to redo these seats, by the way.
It's going to be awesome. Poor Bella can't get through.
Come here.
We're going to have to replace this stud and nut right here on the carburetor. We're going to need new fuel line. I don't really trust this rubber fuel line that he decided to put in.
We had a nice one. It's gone.
Distributor gasket and the little fork that holds this distributor in. Going to need the PVC valve and the piping that goes to the breather here. So that's missing. What else is missing? Oh, I need the oil pump. I mean the fuel pressure sending unit is gone, along with, where is that? There's the gauge. I left this plugged in. So I need there's a tube that goes off this that the sending unit plugs in. I need to get that. And that should be it. There's this hose goes to the circulation pump. So, and then I'll probably have to get some hose clamps. And this is for the electric choke. Hopefully the carburetor works fine. And that should, I think that's it. Yeah, it looks like he stuck the the original oil filter back on it. Nice of him. On the newly rebuilt engine. So, a lot of fun.
Yay. I'm excited to get these parts.
It's
I
so
want to hear this baby run. I haven't been able to hear that the whole time we've had it, so.
that will be nice to hear this thing run again, or run for the first time. This is a newly rebuilt engine. It's bored 30 over, so it hopefully runs fine. The mechanic was supposed to have this in running order. Not so much. He misplaced a lot of parts, and he's just put bolts in. I guess he found around the shop because he lost bolts. So, a lot of fun. If you like this channel, please subscribe and hit that little bell. Get reminders and stuff. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It's right down there. It looks like this. And if you want to track the progress on this boat, or you want to see past videos we've done, go look at the boat. It's a playlist. There is a lot of videos. We're continuing to work, and we have a few more projects left.
We started it in June.
In June. So
of 2018, so that's how long this project has taken us.
And I'm also putting together the budget on what it took to restore, and that will be on our website. So chrisdoeswhat.com. You can go check that out, or go and check out our recipes. Also, you can get there from dineinwithdanielle.com. Great recipes, great eats, and made me a lot healthier than I was before. So
He's got dinner in there ready for him right now, so.
Excellent cook, excellent cook. Good foods, low salt, low sugar, and still taste good. They have a lot of flavor.
Right.
And y'all please take care.
Bye.